Hello everybody, this is Nanduram and we are from Sonu Academy. Today we are going to discuss about spicy riddles. Let us see what do spices give us. Spices. Spices, like everything else, that are made up of chemicals. Spices give us health, color and fragrance, and most of all they keep life from getting monotonous. Spices hide in them our traditions and culture. Let us study about some spices which we use in our daily kitchen. I can be a powder fine to make food hot and spicy. If too much of me is added, I make you gasp. Your eyes and nose begin to water and you cry. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly. Yes, I am a red chilli. Red chilli powder is also known as lal mirchi powder. This is one of the most powerful hot spice which can easily affect the ears, tongue and stomach. Indian food or Indian recipes are greatly influenced with this chilli powder. You can easily get red chilli powder in the grocery stores. Let us see some of the uses of red chilli powder. Red chilli powder is the basis for making any flavored hot and spicy food. The chilli powder is greatly used for various types of veg and non-vegetarian food. It is highly incorporated in various salads and tomato-based sauces. The ethnic dishes are mostly imparted with the flavor and heat blend of chilli powder. Grind me and powder me to make your food look yellow. I am mixed in oil by granny and applied to wounds quickly. I heal all wounds big and small. That is why I am loved by all. Think and tell me, whom am I? Tell me quickly. Yes, I am a turmeric or haldi powder. Turmeric powder is a bright yellow spicy powder made from dried turmeric rhizomes. Turmeric or haldi is one ingredient in our kitchen that holds a remedy for almost all illness you are likely to encounter. A staple spice in almost all Indian households. Turmeric is an indispensable spice which imparts a musky flavor and yellow color to curries. Almost all Indian vegetable dishes uses turmeric either separately or a part of a masala. It is also used in recipes comprising a rice and dried beans. A small pinch of turmeric powder would is enough to add a plenty orange yellow huge to salad dressings. Small and round like a pear, I am black when I am whole. I can be powder, crush or fine. A sharp and spicy taste is mine, whether it is salty or sweety. I am added a special treat. Think and tell me, whom am I? And tell me quickly, whom am I? Yes, I am a pepper. Pepper kala mirchi. This pepper kala mirchi we can call as black pepper also. Black pepper comes from the pepper plant, a smooth woody vine that can grow up to 33 feet in a hot and humid tropical climates. They begin to bear small white clustered flowers after 3 to 4 years and develop into berries known as peppercorns. Ground peppercorns produced the spicy we call as pepper. Let us see some of the uses of pepper. The black pepper stimulates the taste buds in such a way that an alert is sent to the stomach to increase hydrochloric acid secretion, thereby improving digestion. Hence, adding a sprinkling or fleshy ground pepper to your food not only adds to the flavor but improves your digestion as well as. It is also an excellent source of manganese, a very good source of iron and a vitamin K and a good source of dietary fiber. I am a small and kinetic scab. Sometimes I am brown and sometimes I am black. Added to hot oil and ghee, spread my fragrance all around me. When I am roasted, curd and jaljeera are favorite to me. Think and tell me, whom am I? Tell me quickly, whom am I? Yes, I am a jeera. Jeera, it comes from cumin seeds and are also known as jeera, jajrera and cumino. The cumin are elong shaped, pale or usually dark brown seeds in color. Indian spices are greatly flavored with these cumin seeds. The cumin seeds is the form of aromatic spice with the bitter taste and very warm flavor. Cumin seeds can be used as a whole crushed or grounded one. Let us see some of the uses of this jeera. The whole cumin seeds are mostly used for tempering the various dal and jeera rice. These jeera are widely used for different preparations of gravies and curry recipes. The salads and various vegetarian recipes can be flavored with the tempering of this jeera. They are mostly used for making buttermilk, lassi, soups, etc. The whole jeera are great to use along with the whole gram masala for bringing the natural flavor in veg and non-veg dishes. The jeera are highly used as whole for fried, toasted, roasted or powdered. You can make delicious jeera rice by tempering. I look like jeera through green am I. To make your stomach healthy, I always try. Eat me always after your meals. I fresh your mouth. You surely feel. Think and tell me, whom am I? Yes, I am a fennel seed. Fennel seed. Fennel seed, it has been traditionally used as an aid to digestion and it has many healthy benefits. These fennel seeds are very effective for digestive problems. In India, they are routinely chewed upon after meals to aid in digestion after a rich meal, while acting as a herbal mouth pressure also. Let us see some of the uses of this fennel seed. The fennel seed or a fennel tea is a mild diuretic and help the flush excess water and toxins out of the body. Drinking the herbal tea can help ease or sore throat, reduce a fever and loss phlegm from your respiratory system. I look like a nail but am I. Chocolate brown color and I have strong smell have I. When your toothache makes you stout, I smooth the pain in your mouth. Think and tell me, whom am I? Yes, I am a clove. The cloves is derived from the Latin word nails, means cloves. Cloves are normally 12 to 16 millimeters long, just like nails, with a tapered stem. Cloves is a flower bud of huge tropical tree. It is pink in color when it is fresh, and after dried it turns into rust brown color. Cloves can be used as whole or crushed or powdered in ones. Let us see some of the uses of cloves. The cloves can be roasted and then crushed to make a fine powder with the help of grinder and can be highly used for making various types of stews, soups and marinades. Cloves is a basic part of whole gram masala, which is one of the most important reasons to bring the flavor and aroma in several rice recipes, palaus and biryanis. Bay leaf. It is used in cooking to add a specific flavor to the food. It also has some medicinal properties. Fresh or dried bay leaves are used in cooking for their distinctive flavor and fragrance. The leaves are not meant to be eaten, but although it is safe to do so. Let us see what is about dalchini. It is also called cinnamon. Cinnamon is the inner bark of a tropical evergreen tree. Cinnamon is harvested as strips of bark rolled one side another. It is used for seasonal food and preparing masalas. It has medicinal uses also. This can be prepared by roasting whole cinnamon and then crushing it into fine powder. It supports natural production of insulin and reduces blood cholesterol in human body. Let us see about nutmeg. The hard brown seed from the nutmeg tree has a warm, spicy and sweety flavor. It is used in powdered form for garnishing and also for masala preparation. It is used in soaps, perfumes and shampoos. It can be used for medicinal purpose also. It is beneficial for the treatments of asthma, heart disorder and bad breath. Let us see about ginger. Ginger is the underground rhizome of the ginger plant with a firm and straightened texture. The flesh of the ginger rhizome can be yellow, white or red in color. Depending upon the variety, it is covered with a brownish skin that may be either thick or thin. And depending upon the weather, the plants was harvested when it was matured or young. It is used for giving a specific flavor to the food and has many medicinal uses. It helps to avoid digestive problems and it is also beneficial for coping with cough and cold. Let us see about garlic. Garlic is a wonderful seasoning to add aroma, taste and added nutrition to your dishes. We often recommended using raw chopped or pressed garlic in many of our dishes to take advantage for the benefits derived from garlic. It is used for cooking as well as for the medicinal purpose. It is useful for coping with cough and cold. It is also has an antibiotic properties. Let us see about saffron. Saffron is a spice derived from the flower or Quercus sativus, commonly known as the saffron quercus. Saffron quercus grows to 20 to 30 centimeters and it bears up to the 4 flowers, each with 3 vivid crimson stigmas which are the distal end of the carpel. It is used for cooking as well as in the beauty product. It is used in sweet dishes. It has good medicinal properties. It helps to cope with skin diseases. It is a good recommendee for cough, cold and asthma. Let us see about star anise. The another spicy we can call as star anise. It is the unusual fruit of a small oriental tree. It is, the name suggests, star shaped, radiating between 5 and 10 pointed boat shaped sections, about 8 on an average. It is used in cooking and for medicinal purpose. A star anise oil is helpful for digestion and avoiding bad breath. Let us see about cardamom, we can call as ilachi. Ilachi or cardamom is one of the most common spices seen in an Indian household. It is used in the most of the Indians and other sweet dishes to give a good flavor and smell. It is also used widely in pharmaceutical sector. It helps to control bad breath and digestive disorder. A whole cardamom chewed is good for coping with diabetes. Let us know about coriander, we can call as dhania. The coriander sativum or dhania are also known as Chinese parsley. The coriander leaves as well as coriander seeds are used in cookings. It also has some medicinal uses. It can be used externally on itching joints. It is also good for coping with sore throat, allergies, digestion problem, heavy fevers, etc. Let us see about the curry leaves. Its leaves are used in many dishes in Indian and neighboring countries. It is used as main ingredient for seasoning in some countries. It has many medicinal uses. These leaves are beneficial for reducing blood sugar. Each part of the plant provides some benefit or the other. The dried leaves are extensively used in herbal medicines. Thank you. This is Nanduram and we are from Sonu Academy.